Error code 58 on a ring furnace indicates that the water circuit is open. This issue can be caused by damaged wiring between the water sensor and the control board, or a faulty water sensor. To resolve this problem, start by inspecting the wiring. Switch off the furnace's power supply at the circuit breaker. Then locate and remove the access panel to examine the wires inside. Verify that all wires are continuous and replace any broken ones, or enlist the help of a professional to do so. Another potential solution is to reset the furnace. Begin by disconnecting the power supply. Then find the reset button and activate it. Wait for at least 3 seconds to allow the furnace to reset. Before reconnecting the power supply, monitor the furnace's operation to see if the error has been resolved. If the issue persists, it is recommended to seek further assistance from a professional repair service.